Set aside from trying to go all of the change I spent on you. Am I the payphone trying to call all of the change I spent on you? Where have the time gone, baby? Gone from where the plans we made for two. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. Even though they're the picture, you're not here next to me. Said it's too late to forget, but is it too late to try? And if the time that you wasted all over reaching back, I've wasted my life. You turned out the lights, now I'm paralyzed. Still stuck in the time when we called it love, but even the sunset in paradise. And at a payphone trying to call all of the change I spent on you. Where have the time gone, baby? It's all gone. Where are the plans we made for two? Have we ever after did exist? I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. You turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love tomorrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect it to be fine, don't expect it to end. I know we said this before, but all of the bridges burned down. I wasted my life, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the past when we called it love, but even the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call all of my change I spent on you. Where have the time gone, baby? It's all gone. Where are the plans we made for two? Have we ever after did exist? I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. I'm at a payphone trying to call all of the change I spent on you. Where have the time gone, baby? It's all gone. Where are the plans we made for two? Have we ever after did exist? I would still be holding you like this. All the fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song I'll be singing. I'm at a payphone trying to call all of the change I spent on you. Change I spent on you. Where are the times gone? Before we used to be, even though they're the picture, trying to get next to me.